Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at past tense, definition, types, uses, and examples. Let's get started. Past tense in English is a type of tense that is used to talk about an action that happened or a state of being that existed or was true in the past. Past tense in English is a type of tense that is used to talk about an action that happened or a state of being that existed or was true in the past, a time that passed by. Therefore, we normally use the past tense to express an action or a state of being that took place or existed in the past time. We use second forms of V2 or verbs with the past tense. For example, the past tense of lead is led. The past tense of teach is taught. The past tense of speak is spoke. The past tense of fly is flew. The past tense of seek is sought. The past tense of see is saw. The past tense of write is wrote. The past tense of go is went. The past tense of swim is swam. The past tense of lay is laid. Continue watching to learn past tense definition, meaning, types, rules, formulas, uses, and example sentences with clear explanations. This video covers past tense definition and meaning, examples of past tense in sentences, types of past tense formulas, uses of past tense. Frequently asked questions, past tense. Past tense definition and meaning. The Merriam-Webster defines past tense as a verb tense expressing action or state in progress or continuance or habitually done or customarily occurring at a past time. The Cambridge Dictionary defines past tense as used to describe verb forms in many languages, used for actions that have now finished. The Oxford Learner's Dictionary defines past tense as the form of a verb used to describe actions in the past. The Longman Dictionary defines past tense as a form of a verb that shows that something happened or existed before the present time. After analyzing the past tense definitions given above by different dictionaries, we find that three things are at the heart of the past tense. 1. The past tense is a form of a verb. The past tense describes an action or state of being that happened or existed before the present time. The past tense talks about the action or state of being that happened, was happening, had happened, or had been happening a past time. Examples of past tense in sentences. Here are a few example sentences of simple past, past continuous, past perfect, or past perfect continuous tenses. 1. Simple past. I work. 2. Past continuous. I was working. 3. Past perfect. I had work. 4. Past perfect continuous. I had been working. Types of past tense definition and examples. There are 4 types of past tense in English grammar, like those of present tense. That is, all the 3 tenses such as present, past, and future tenses have 4 types or aspects. The 4 types or aspects of past along with definitions and examples are given below. 1. Simple past tense. What is simple past tense? The simple past tense talks about an action that started and finished in the past. Examples of simple past tense. A. I work for a bank. They went to the market yesterday. John came yesterday. 2. Past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? The past continuous tense, also known as past progressive tense, talks about an action that started in a particular time in the past and was continuously happening till a particular time in the past. Examples of past continuous tense. A. I was sleeping. B. John was reading a book. C. They were talking to one another. 3. Past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? The past perfect talks about an action that started, finished in the past, and before another past action. Examples of past perfect tense. A. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. B. The thief had escaped before the police came. C. I had learned English by the time I was 10. 4. Past perfect continuous tense. What is past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous tense talks about an action that started in the past, continued till a specific time in the past, and finished in the past. Examples of past perfect continuous tense. A. I had been working that night and I was exhausted. B. I had been reading a book yesterday for 2 hours. Then I went to the market. Past tense formulas and structures. 1. Simple past tense structure. S plus V2. Examples. A. They went. B. I ate. C. She worked. Number 2. Past continuous tense structure. S plus was or were plus VING. Examples. A. I was working. B. John and Tom were sleeping. C. She was reading. 3. Past perfect tense structure. S plus had plus V3. Examples. A. He had gone. B. She had eaten. C. I had worked. 4. Past perfect continuous tense structure. S plus had been plus VING plus timing. Examples. A. I had been working since morning. B. She had been reading for 2 hours. C. They had been sleeping for 3 hours. Frequently asked questions, past tense. What does past tense mean? Past tense is one of the 3 main types of English tenses. The past tense is used to talk about the actions that took place at a past time, as in, she spoke to me. What is the definition of past tense? The past tense is defined as a form of a verb that describes an action or state of being that happened in the past, as in, John came yesterday. This video ends here about past tense, definition, types, uses, and examples.